Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 10, Lesson 71. We've capitalized proper nouns. Now we capitalize the adjectives made from them. Today, capitalization of proper adjectives. Let's finish capitalization with proper adjectives. A proper adjective is an adjective formed from a proper noun, and because it comes from a name, it is always capitalized. Take Shakespearean drama. Shakespearean comes from the name Shakespeare, so it's a proper adjective, and it keeps its capital. The rule is simple. If an adjective is built from a name, you capitalize it every time. Proper adjectives come from a few places. Some come from the names of people, like Shakespearean or Darwinian. Some come from places and ethnic, national, or religious groups, like Canadian winters or a Buddhist temple. And some come from specific days, dates, or holidays, like a December chill or Friday classes. In every case, the adjective is built from a name, so in every case, it gets a capital. Here's the part students miss. The noun that the proper adjective describes is usually a common noun, and it stays lowercase. French bread. French is capitalized, but bread is just a common noun, so it's lowercase. Same with an Italian restaurant. Italian gets the capital. Restaurant does not. The only exception is when that noun is actually part of a name. Otherwise, capital adjective, lowercase noun. So here's your quick check. First, ask whether the adjective is built from a name, a person, a place, a group, a day. Second, if it is, capitalize it. Third, the plain common noun it describes stays lowercase, unless it's part of a name. Built from a name, capital. That's the whole rule for proper adjectives. Let's practice. In each sentence, one proper adjective is missing its capital. Pick the word that needs one. Pause and try each. I am reading a book of blank folktales. German is formed from the country Germany, so it's a proper adjective. So the answer is German. Grandmother is making a pot of blank stew. Irish comes from Ireland, so it's a proper adjective. So the answer is Irish. My dad's favorite music is a blank symphony. Beethoven, describing the symphony, is a proper adjective from a person's name. So the answer is Beethoven. 3 more. Find the adjective built from a name. And remember, the common noun it describes stays lowercase. Pause and try each. No color quite matches blank soil. Alabama, describing the soil, is a proper adjective from a place name. So the answer is Alabama. Grandfather taught me to play blank checkers. Chinese comes from China, so it's a proper adjective. So the answer is Chinese. We had dinner at an blank restaurant. Italian is the proper adjective, from Italy. Restaurant is a common noun and stays lowercase. So the answer is Italian. Let's wrap up Chapter 10. A proper adjective is an adjective formed from a proper noun, and it is always capitalized. They come from the names of people, from places and groups, and from days and dates. But the common noun the adjective describes stays lowercase. French bread, an Italian restaurant, unless that noun is part of a name. Built from a name, give it a capital. That completes our work on capitalization. Great work. Next, we begin Chapter 11 on punctuation, starting with end marks.